Hello people, we're doing a Nerf video today and I've got my camera on my Nerf gun. Well, it's actually Fee's camera, or Fee's holds the trophy stand holds my camera. We're doing a Nerf video today. As you can see, she's got a Nerf gun in her hand and I'm afraid of her. Really afraid. No, please stay away from me. Stay away from me, sure. Thank you. I'm generous. I'm generous, don't worry, you don't want to shoot me. Do it in the shade, I can't blimmin' see. I have to check on the camera blimmin' now and then. So do I.
You need to fill up, don't you?
Yeah, but unless you can hold my gun while I fill up.
Oh.
Take the video. I need to go pick up. Hey guys, I need to go pick up 32 bullets. Ah! By the way, 2 bullets I had in this gun, just to tell you, Jamie.
Hey, damn blimmin' bullets.
Oh, just park a blimmin'. No. Watch it. I'll balance on the tree. Oh, get wrecked.
Hey, can you help me pick up bullets? I've got 32 bullets in one. I had 2 blue bullets. Faster! Mama! That was fun, actually. It's a something. Even though it has
Guys, that's our first battle in this video. And I'm going to pause it to the next battle. Back in a circ. Guys, we have collected all the bullets now.
Jamie.
It isn't now.
Isn't it?
No.
I thought it was.
Now we're going on our next battle. Get over there, Fee. Why the hell isn't it not working? My gun's blimmin' jammed. There you go. 2 bullets at once. That's actually pretty cool. Damn, loads of bullets on the damn blimmin' floor. Is she over there? Oh, there she is. Oh. No point trying for me. I'm about to go up her. What are you looking at, bitch? Ha. 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 Ah, I'm nearly for dead. Oh no, I've run out of bullets. Bye. There's one, bitches! Ah! Run out of bullets. Shh. Hello! Hello, Lewis! Shh. Ouch. There. I lost all my bullets.
Jamie, let's have a go Let's have a go at that gun.
Anyway, it's the end of this video here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Well, no, we're going to do another next round because this is only the first part 2 Nerf. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes. See you in next video. Bye.